Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. So I am going to attempt to make my own ring light. Now, I do have a few options, but I think I'm gonna go with the one that I'm gonna try here in the video. But I did buy this ring from Amazon, which is a wire wreath form. And I also got one from the Dollar Tree, just in case maybe I could, take this one back. But this one is more like, I don't know if you could see that. It's like a bowl shape. This one's more flat. So my other idea was to use one of these and wrap it in foil and then stick my lights to it, but I couldn't find a big enough one, so I'm probably gonna take these back. You can also get them at the Dollar Tree. Now they are smaller, but I mean, a small ring light, if that's what you want to do. So then I did get a piece of this like white board that I'm going to cut a circle out and then put it with this and then wrap it foil and put my lights on. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. This foam board was from the Dollar Tree, so not a bad deal. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. This is actually a pretty big ring light. The size of this wreath is 18 inches. And I'll put a link down below as well. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. Okay, so now that I got it cut out, I mean, this isn't probably sturdy enough, but if this is all that you had to work with, I'm sure it would work out. So I am going to put it with this for some structure. Good job, buddy. Okay, so I'm just going to take some sheet of aluminum foil. Okay, now for the lights, I got these LED strip lights, which you do have to buy an extra piece for this. This is the adapter. So this does have a sticky side. So I'm gonna attempt to put this over the foil and just see if it works. Okay, so for the final test, I'm actually pretty pleased about this. I didn't think this was gonna go all the way around to fit the width of this. So I have my adapter plugged in, and let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, there we go. Wow, so I'm super excited about this. This probably cost about 20 bucks. I will leave links down below. I am gonna have to try and figure out how to put this to my tripod, or you know, this can be portable too. You can sit it up against the wall and put your camera like right here up against the wall. So I'm very pleased with this. I'm gonna take the other stuff back, and I'll leave the link down below so you can make yours. And I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.